In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for free. To get started, open your browser and search for Grok on Google. This is the quickest way to find the official website, especially if you're visiting it for the first time. Once the search results appear, click on Grok AI to open the correct page. When the home page loads, look for the Sign In option and select it. This will take you to the account access page where you can choose your preferred sign-in method. Pick the option that works best for you, then select the account you want to use. If you already have an account signed in on your device, this part should be very quick. If not, just complete the sign-in process as usual. After that, give the page a moment to load. Once Grok opens successfully, you'll be taken into the main interface where you can begin using it for free. You may notice a highlighted area on the screen. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section to continue. This usually helps bring your attention to the part of the interface you need next. Now click into the prompt box. This is where you'll type your request, question, or instruction for Grok. When writing your prompt, try to be clear and specific so the response is more useful. For example, instead of asking for help with writing, you could ask for help writing a short professional email or a beginner-friendly explanation of a topic. Before sending your message, make sure the mode is set to fast. This is important because fast gives you free access. So if your goal is to use Grok without paying, this is the option you want to select. Once that's set, click the Send button. Grok will begin generating a response based on what you entered. You can then continue interacting with it by typing into the highlighted input area again. If you want to ask follow-up questions, revise the answer, or explore the topic further, this makes it easy to keep the conversation going without having to start over each time. If you ever want to begin from scratch, simply click on New Chat. That will open a fresh conversation, which is helpful when you want to switch topics or keep your different questions organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to access Grok, sign in, choose the free fast option, send your first prompt, and start a new chat whenever needed.